Chain stitches. Begin by making a slip knot on your crochet hook. Hold the crochet hook in your dominant hand, just like you would hold a pencil. Hold the yarn in your other hand. The yarn goes over your index finger and in between the ring finger and pinky to the back. Hold the tail in between your thumb and middle finger. Make a yarn over. Using the hook, pull the yarn through the loop on your hook. This creates your first chain stitch. Repeat. Yarn over, then pull the yarn through the loop on your hook. And again, yarn over and pull through. Try to keep the chain stitches loose and even in size, and replace your thumb and middle finger closer to the hook when the distance grows too long. When ready, cut the yarn and pull the tail through the last loop. If you continue the second row, insert the hook into the second chain from the hook and start crocheting single crochet stitches. If you work in the round, insert your hook into the first chain you made and slip stitch to form a ring.